We have an emergency. Hey y'all, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. We have an emergency. Serious plant. It's not doing too well, guys. It's not doing too well at all. So as I was saying, guys, this is an emergency. Here's my Yucca cane plant, which I purchased from Home Depot about 3 to 4 months ago. And I got it for half price. It was the only one there. And it was looking kind of beat up. So I decided to bring it home and take care of it and nurse it back to health. There weren't any major issues when I first got it. When I noticed that there was a white powdery substance on the leaves. At first I tried just misting it with some neem oil solution, and that wasn't helping. But just recently I just decided to touch the trunk, and big problem, guys. I believe it's rotted on the inside. It's pretty hollow at the bottom over here, so when you give it a squeeze, it's kind of like a sponge. It's a spongy material at this point in time. So this particular stem is the affected one. This other one here, the smaller one on the side here, is okay. It's fine. It's still pretty healthy. And then the smaller stem in the back here is fine as well. But next thing we're gonna do is take it apart, guys, and repot it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm just gonna have to start fresh with this part here. Sorry, this part here. Cut that off. But it actually doesn't even have any roots, so I don't even know how that would work. Okay, so for now what I'm gonna do is cut this off. Cut it off to about here. Maybe stick it in water to see if it roots and go from there, because this is like so far gone. There aren't any roots and I don't know how to make it work. I don't know why I thought it'd be easier, but it's tough. Okay guys, so this is what I discovered, that just beneath the bark, it's just rotten, and I have a feeling that it's that way all the way up. So I'm just gonna call this or take this as an L Yeah, this one's not a good one. So this is gonna go in the garbage. I'm actually just gonna cut off this part right here and put it in water and see if that grows roots. But who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, enough with the L's. Thank you. Shh. Whew. That was easy. So I'm just gonna plop this in some water and see if this grows roots. All right.
Good.
So if the other one is able to root, I'm just gonna put it right in this spot here, right where the old stem used to be. So bad. Ugh. Disgusting. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, okay? Take care.